Hello everyone, Eric here again. So today let me introduce one of our hospital computer trolley. It has 4 pieces, double wheel type, swivel type wheels. The wheel diameter is 4" and it has the heavy duty steel base due to the mobile stability. The column is made of aluminum. The height is adjustable by the foot pedal. There are keyboard platform. This one for mouse. The top board is convex design. There are push bar. So it can be cleaned and sterilization very easy during the each day using. There are the waste bin, and there's a small storage. You can just put the wire and some other things into it. Here is the screen lock, menu lock. We can lock laptop or the other screen, touchpad. And there is a menu key. The height is adjustable by the foot pedal. There is pneumatic cylinder inside the column.